Hey everybody, Mr. Clayton here, and I'm here today with Miss Abby. We're going to go take you guys to a social distance drill, which is working on the early skills curriculum for the skill rolling. The name of this game is called Spot Dash, and all you're going to need for this drill is a dodgeball and then a bunch of spot dots placed randomly on the ground. What's going to happen for this one, guys, is you guys are going to have the first student or all of your students at the same time, depending on how many students you have, place the ball on the ground. When the instructor says go, the students are going to play in their area, and they're going to try to have 10 seconds to roll their ball and hit every individual spot dot that's on the ground. The challenge for this game is being able to beat that time and getting to every single dot before it runs out without losing the ball, falling over, or just being silly. So we're going to see if Miss Abby can do it on this one. Alright guys, so Miss Abby is the first player in this one. She's going to go ahead and place the ball on the ground. When I say go, she's going to have 10 seconds to get every single spot dot and run it over with her ball. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, and time. She's extremely fast at this one. Again, definitely a little bit of a taller player, so your smaller 3 and 4-year-olds are going to have a little bit more of a time constraint with this one, trying to move fast enough to hit every single one. For the later rounds on this one, you can space out your dots or even add more dots for an added challenge for this drill. 3 takeaways for this drill. First off, guys, you want to make sure that your eyes are always open so that way it's very easy to see where you're going to be going and hitting all the dots in this one. Second takeaway, you want your hands on the ball so it's really easy for you to move it around and get to every dot. And your third and final takeaway for this one is you guys want to move quickly so that way you can beat the time that you guys have. Go ahead and go through this drill for 2 to 3 rounds. Make sure that every player gets multiple chances to play.